Rihanna nearly went bankrupt after releasing her hit song Umbrella in 2007, and here's why. Welcome back to my Taylor Talks channel. If you are new here, make sure to click that like and subscribe button. Now, today I want to talk about Rihanna, Miss Billionaire Bad Gal Riri herself. Miss Baby on the way, so congratulations to her again. So as you guys can tell by the title of the video, Rihanna nearly went bankrupt in 2007. Here's a bit of a background because I am just now hearing this, even though it's been out for years. But in 2007, we all know that Rihanna released her hit song Umbrella. The song topped the Billboard Hot 100s for 3 consecutive weeks. It was on her album SOS, and that album brought in over $50 million. Needless to say, Umbrella was a huge hit and Rihanna was making money. Fast forward to 2 years, in 2009, it was reported that Rihanna had $11 million in cash at the beginning of the year and was only left with just $2 million by the end of the year. Yes, $2 million is a lot of money. However, what happened to the rest of the $9 million? Well, Rihanna's accountant said it was okay for her to buy a house that was priced between $7 to $7.5 million that year. So Rihanna wanted to buy a house. She went to her accountant and basically said, hey, how much can I splurge or spend on a house? And her accountant said anywhere between $7 to $7.5 million, knowing that Rihanna only had $11 million in the bank. Now, Rihanna ultimately ended up having to sell the property for a $2 million loss, and Rihanna decided to sue her accounting firm, claiming gross mismanagement. Now, in her legal documents, Rihanna said that she hired Burden LLP in 2005 when she was just 16 years old when she was first launching her music career. Now, in the documents, Rihanna alleged that her accountants took an above-standard 22% commission from her. In the lawsuit, Rihanna also claimed that her 2009 Last Girl on Earth concert tour was losing money, but her accountant failed to notify her of the losses. Now, in response, Rihanna's former accounting firm tried to maintain their innocence. Burden LLP said, and I quote, Rihanna's own financial action or inaction, or the actions of others working for her, caused her to lose millions of dollars. So Rihanna's old accounting firm was trying to minimize Rihanna's claims by basically saying it was her fault that she was spending all of her money and not theirs. However, Rihanna countered their claim by releasing her 2011 Loud Tour numbers. The net profit for the tour amounted to about 40% of the total revenue for the entire tour. Now, I did a little research and I found out that Rihanna, her Loud Tour, grossed $100 million. So essentially, Rihanna was taking home 40% of all the revenue after all of the expenses were taken out. So based off of these numbers, Rihanna should have pocketed $40 million. This basically proved her case, saying that her lawyers were taking millions of dollars out of her earnings, and that's why she didn't have her money, not because she didn't know how to spend her money wisely. Now, here is the real kicker. The courts found out that the accountants were taking, again, 22% of the revenue from the tour, and they were only giving Rihanna 6%, which is not normal for any accounting practices. Fortunately, the courts were on Rihanna's side and they ruled in her favor. And in 2012, her accounting firm, or her former accounting firm, gave her back $10 million in a settlement. I mean, I honestly wish they would have given her back a lot more money. However, we all know that Rihanna is a billionaire now, so she is not worrying about that accounting firm. Now, I'm also reading a few articles saying that since Rihanna started with this firm when she was 15, she trusted all of her accountants to do the right thing with her money. Normally, I give my inspiration for today at the end of the video, but I want to give it out now. Guys, no matter how much you trust your accountant, your significant other, your mom, your dad, whoever, always make sure that you know specifically where your money is going. Whether you have $5 in your bank account or $50 million in your bank account, Always know where that money is going. Enroll in a financial literacy class at your school. Google on YouTube how to do taxes, so on and so forth. Make sure that you educate yourself on how to deal with your money. This situation happens to a lot of people. Wesley Snipes, Steve Harvey, Chris Tucker, even Tyler Perry. And there's so many others that get sucked into this problem. Everyone deals with it, even myself. But again, make sure you know where your money is going. Now, I want to hear from you guys. What do you guys think about this story from bankruptcy to billionaire bad gal Riri? Comment below your thoughts. Do you think Rihanna nearly going bankrupt helped motivate her to become a billionaire and get to know her finances a little bit better? Do you know where all of your dollars and cents are going? Comment below your thoughts. Like and subscribe for some more Taylor Talks. And as I always say, guys, stay safe. See ya.